Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth again. I'm going to insist this has been going on for about 3 hours. I've already emptied it once, so let's see what's in there here. Off. So what happens with this is it still continues and then it'll stop. So, right, I'll just knock itself off in a minute. So that's what we've got so far. That's what's coming out of this wall anyway. It's starting to dry it out. See, I don't know how you open that up fully. I think there's a way you can do it. Something like that, but that's what it looks like. So yeah, it's doing its job. That's basically that. That just slots in. Okay, so I'll just keep putting this on a bit longer. At the moment I've got on saving mode. That's automatically going around. I'll put it on high, I think. But it does have a full tank check there as well as a check. So right, thanks for watching guys. So that's a look at the Xdry, second video. Yeah. I mean before that was a lot damper than it was. So it's literally pulling. This has been ongoing for years. The water's been slowing it, and the thing about it is there's a pipe outside. It's run into is a soak away. It's actually draining away, so you've got this area here. So it is sort of doing its job while we sort out the other side. Well, thanks guys for the Excel. Catch you later.